What if I told you every dance in the world is built on the same secret code? From the ancient rituals of Africa to the elegance of ballet and the pulse of hip-hop, all of them share four hidden elements: space, energy, time, and body. This code doesn't just guide movement, it reveals the spirit behind it. Let's begin with space. Watch how a ballerina stretches across the stage with long, graceful pathways, while in street dance, space becomes small, sharp, and explosive. Both use space differently, but both tell a story. Next is energy. A flamenco dancer strikes with fiery, bound force, while a Tai Chi master moves with softness and flow. Energy shifts between strong and light, sharp and smooth, creating emotions without a single word spoken. Then comes time. In Bollywood, time races with fast beats and dazzling speed. In hula, time slows, each motion stretching like waves on the shore. Tempo, rhythm, and breath transform a step into a heartbeat of culture. Finally, body. Every tradition calls on different parts. The pounding of feet in African dance, the intricate hand gestures of Bharatanatyam, or the torso isolations of belly dance. The body becomes the storyteller, carving meaning into the air. Here's the twist. No matter where you are in the world, all dancers are using this same language. A hip-hop freestyle in New York, a haka in New Zealand, a tango in Argentina, every single one speaks the universal code of dance. So the next time you watch a performance, don't just see the movement. Look for the code. Ask yourself, what space, what energy, what time, what body is being used? Because in that moment, you're not just watching a dance, you're listening to a language older than words. If this opened your eyes to the hidden power of dance, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves rhythm and culture. Which element of dance do you connect with most? Drop it in the comments and let's start a conversation.